welcome back to Wrenching the Race. As you see, we have a new guy with us. His name's Mark. Mark, say hello to the crowd.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
John has gotten the garage pretty well sorted and ready for us to pack the trailer with the car and head to Pittsburgh. What do we have left to do?
Exhaust.
Oh, we have to weld the exhaust.
Bleed the brakes.
Quick Blake breed. Brake bleed.
And then put it in the trailer and go.
Dump the coolant first, because we can't race with coolant.
Okay.
Anyway.
Right.
We got 6 hours of drive time ahead of us and about 2 hours of work time here. So hopefully we'll get out of here in a couple hours. So thanks for joining us, and
lots more fun for you soon.
Come back and see us sometime.
Let's do it. Second gear's a little tough, I'll be honest. Like between first and second, it's a little strange. See how fast that was? Super fast.
You know what goes faster? When you work without talking.
The plan is to get in the car, started, take it for a small drive, load it up in the trailer, drive to Pittsburgh, which is probably 7 hours?
Probably 7.
By the way, that's Dalton, cameraman.
Disc brakes and everything?
Probably 7 hours to get there. And that's the plan. So fingers crossed. We'll keep you posted. That sounds fantastic. So let's drive it out. Go for it. Well, it's not quiet. We may get flagged, but we'll see.
So right now, we're heading to Pitt Race, Pittsburgh International Raceway, and we have John's dog, London, a little Shiba Inu, in the truck with John and Mark, and we're gonna drop her off and then onto the track. I'm gonna guess we'll get to the track around 8:30, 9 o'clock tonight, like 7.5 hours from now. So it'll be a long day, but at least we're just driving and not doing much else. Going to be great. We've got a little too much weight on the back of the trailer now. And what Mark read was that too much weight on the back of the trailer may cause excessive wobble. So we're going to repo the car. It's very not fun to stop on the side of the highway here. But we're going to move the car forward in the trailer and then see if that helps the wobble down. That was fun. Car's whizzing by at 80. I think we moved the car up about 3 feet, so hopefully that gives a little more weight in the front where I guess we need it. from what Mark read on the interwebs.
We're strapped in. We're getting ready to pull forward.
Copy that. Pushing the weight forward in the trailer has really made a big difference. It doesn't look like they're going to jackknife and die, so that's always good. I could use a nap, but no time to nap. We got to get to the race. Looking forward to slapping on the muffler for tech inspection, that's for sure. But looking much more forward to getting the car on the track and seeing what you can do.
To 110 pickup so that we have power and hopefully some heat and some coffee making abilities, and we're close to the bathroom, which makes me very happy.
The license plate that you had on your 1987 GTI that you had for 20 years is going to go on this guy, just because.
Quickly bleed the brakes. Jay just took the car out, and I guess the brakes were a little spongy. The last thing you want to do is be doing 100 miles an hour going into a turn and hit the brakes and have the pedal go all the way to the floor and not be able to stop and crash the car. So the idea is just to bleed the brakes a little bit, which we've done multiple times. We got to get back on the track in a half an hour, so we don't have much time to get this done, but we'll knock it out. All the way to the floor and let it up. Getting some bubbles? How's that feel?
Seat pad version 1. Yeah, so this is good because after these guys piss in the seat, I just put this and then I don't sit in their feet.
We passed. We have to go get some scotch though if we want to continue to keep up the rapport.
I got to go talk to the bullshit inspection guys because we just had to bribe them in order to stay in B class. And Flesh and I just went to the beer store as a badge of honor to show what we've done. We're going to go get our bribery stencil, put on the car. Step back, arms out, no bullet holes.
blood, explosion, knife wounds, anything like that? All right, good.
There we go. Good to race. Everything went really good yesterday. Everybody drove well. Car ran great yesterday. So hopefully everybody can keep it on the track, keep together, and then we'll keep racing tomorrow and bring home a win, right? Win, guys?
Found a really good trick for defogging, like when you know how your windshield fogs up?
Yeah.
On the race car, the best trick is to get shaving cream, like Barbasol, put a little bit, smear it on the inside of the windshield. It creates a little coat, and then
make that trip work.
and then you wipe it off. No, I don't have any shaving cream.
All right, team.
You got us.
We're at Pitt Race.
Okay.
Let's make this happen. Let's race clean, safe, and make sure the car is driving onto the trailer at the end of the day.
On 3. Rad. 1, 2, 3.
Rad!